Hello, I am Rachit. This is the given passage, and the question is, according to the passage, a person suffering from Macbeth complex. Solution. Coming on to the first option, it is basically pusillanimous. Understanding what is pusillanimous? It means timid, afraid. Coming to the second option, remains undaunted in the face of most severe crisis. Understanding what is undaunted? It is daring and having courage. The first option is basically pusillanimous, which is timid and afraid. By reading the paragraph, we can understand that the person suffering from Macbeth complex is neither afraid, so option 1 is eliminated. The person is not daring, option 2 goes out, and that person is not anxious to succeed, option 4 goes out. The correct option is option 3. Also in the paragraph, it has been given that such an individual's career is often marked by a series of ups and downs. So the answer becomes 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Rachit. This is the given passage, and the question is, what causes self-inflicted failure? Solution. Macbeth complex is nowhere given in the passage, so it's ruled out. Ups and downs in one's career is not given in the passage, so ruled out again. Option 4, that says starting and ending difficulties, it's also not been given in the passage and is also ruled out. Looking to the option 3, being given in the passage, both fear of success and fear of failure are causes of self-inflicted failure, so it becomes the right choice. So our answer becomes fear of success and fear of failure is the cause of self-inflicted failure. So the answer becomes 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Rachit. This is the given passage, and the question is, what does the author of Encounter Groups say in the passage? Solution. Coming to the passage, we have been given as Carl Rogers, the famed psychologist, says, in Encounter Groups, we expect the awareness process to be painful if it leads towards growth. So it is clearly given in the passage, hence option 3 is the right answer. So our answer becomes 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Rachit. The passage is, the question is, how does the entrepreneur about whom the passage has talked behave in the face of financial losses? Solution. If we come to the passage and look at the options, option 1 says, he turns cynical and distrustful. It's nowhere given in the passage, so it's wrong. Coming on to option 2, which says, he covers all his creditors who continue to have faith in him. If we move to 5th line of paragraph 4, we'll find that in the face of these financial losses, he behaves magnificently, covering all his creditors who continue to have faith in him. Therefore, option 2 becomes the correct option, and hence option 3 and option 4 are discarded. Hence the answer is 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Rachit. This is the given passage, and the question is, what could be the suitable title for the passage? Solution. The passage talks about both fear of success and fear of failure, so either of option 3 and 4 becomes an incomplete choice. So option 3 and 4 are ruled out. Option 2 does not covers the entire passage, hence also ruled out. The remaining option 1, which is most comprehensive, it covers ideas supplied by all the other options, and hence is the correct option. So our answer is first. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.